Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today we're making seafood gumbo. This is a southern food. So we're going to start off with 4 tablespoons of butter. We're also going to need 3 tablespoons of flour. Flour is going to be our thickener. We're going to need 1 tin of diced tomato and also tomato paste. We're also going to need okra. This is frozen okra. 4 celery sticks. We're gonna dice this, as well as 1 onion. We are also gonna need crab. This is crab and shrimp. You can use whatever seafood you want to. Also, we're gonna need salt to taste, Old Bay seasoning. Also gonna need ground allspice, ground pepper. You can use black pepper if you want to. This is red ground pepper, oregano, and some ginger. So I'm gonna prep everything, open the tin, cut the celery and onions, and we shall begin. So we're gonna start off, put your pan on the fire on medium heat. We're going to melt our butter. After our butter is melted, we are going to add our flour and we're gonna brown our flour. So our flour has browned nicely. This time we're going to add our celery and our onions. So you're gonna stir, and then you're going to add your diced tomatoes. Stir it together. So at this time, what you're gonna do is fill your tomato can with water all the way to the top and add it, stir, and let it cook. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to add our tomato paste to our stew or gumbo. So go ahead and add it. This is about a 1/4 cup. Mix it together and let it cook. After this, we're gonna add our seasoning to it. We're gonna have it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So at this time, go ahead and add your okra to it. This is about a cup. And stir and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Our okra is cooking beautifully. Next, we're gonna add our ginger. This is a teaspoon of ginger. Go ahead and add it and mix it together. If you don't have ginger and you have the powder, that's fine. You could use that. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to add our shrimp. Go ahead and add your shrimp and mix it up. Whatever seafood you have, you can use, that's fine. I decided to use shrimp and crab. We're gonna cover this and we're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add our crab because the crab is already cooked, so we're gonna put it in last. So let it cook. It's cooking beautifully. It's been about 5 minutes. It's looking yummy. You can taste your salt and see where it's at. You need to add a little bit more, that's fine. This time we're just gonna go ahead and add our crab and stir it up. We're gonna let it cook for about another 3 minutes, and our gumbo will be ready to be eaten. This is so delicious. You can eat this with rice or you could eat it by itself. I thank you for stopping by to see this tutorial. I hope you're being safe. Take care of yourself. Try this for yourself or for your family, and I hope to see you next time. Bon appetit.